GPU backplates are essential for cooling, improving heat dissipation, protecting the graphics card, and enhancing overall performance and longevity. My today's video is about top 5 best GPU backplate that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Hillitan GPU backplate. The GPU backplate radiator is an essential upgrade for high-performance graphics cards like the NVIDIA 3090, 3080, and 3070, including support for vertical mounting configurations. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with anodized black CNC machining, it offers both sturdiness and sleek aesthetics while ensuring long-term reliability. Designed with a standard fan interface, installation is straightforward, making it accessible for both enthusiasts and professional builders. The 15 mm thick backplate includes a thermal pad to facilitate rapid heat dissipation, keeping the GPU and memory modules cooler during intense gaming or rendering sessions. Its 4-pin fan connector integrates seamlessly with the motherboard fan socket, delivering efficient cooling with minimal noise. By enhancing thermal management, this GPU backplate not only protects your investment from overheating but also helps maintain stable performance and prolongs the lifespan of your graphics card. Combining durability, functionality, and superior cooling efficiency, it is a must-have accessory for any high-end PC build. Now our second product is AsiaHorse GPU backplate. The AsiaHorse graphic card cooler is a premium solution for enhancing GPU performance and protecting your PC hardware. Featuring 380mm fans and a robust GPU brace support, it delivers double protection by generating strong airflow to cool the graphics card while preventing motherboard stress caused by heavy GPUs. The PWM-controlled fans dynamically adjust speeds between 800 to 3000 revolutions per minute, maintaining optimal airflow with minimal noise, just 25 dBA at low speeds. Its innovative swirl blade design directs air efficiently, achieving up to 50 CFM for rapid heat dissipation. Beyond cooling, the cooler brings striking aesthetics with 13 independent RGB LEDs per fan, fully compatible with 5V 3-pin motherboard sync, allowing vibrant, customizable lighting effects. Installation is effortless, with a sliding and locking support arm that accommodates parallel or vertical GPU mounting and ensures compatibility with various graphics cards in PC cases. Combining superior cooling, hardware protection, and eye-catching RGB lighting, the AsiaHorse cooler is ideal for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts. Our third product is Scholar GPU backplate. The ZX5 RAM cooler is a high-performance, visually striking solution for keeping your memory modules cool while enhancing your PC build's aesthetics. Featuring dual 60mm high airflow fans with PWM smart temperature control, it automatically adjusts speeds between 800 to 2800 revolutions per minute, efficiently pulling in cool air and expelling heat, ideal for overclockers and high-frequency memory users. Despite its power, the ultra-quiet hydraulic bearing motor ensures noise stays below 21.5 dBA, providing silent operation during gaming, streaming, or intensive workloads. Its programmable ARGB lighting supports 5V 3-pin motherboard sync with Aura Sync/RGB Fusion, offering over 8 dynamic modes such as breathe and music, bringing vibrant, customizable visuals to DDR through DDR5 memory. Installation is effortless thanks to the tool-free snap-on design and anti-scratch buckle pads, with plus or minus 45 degrees rotation for flexible mounting that avoids water cooling pipes. Lightweight, durable, and anti-static, the ZX5 protects components while adding style. Designed for motherboards with greater than or equal to 5mm RAM slot gaps, it's a perfect blend of efficiency, safety, and visual appeal. Now number 4, iCleed's GPU backplate. The ARGB memory cooling fan is a high-performance solution designed to keep your RAM modules cool while enhancing the visual appeal of your gaming PC. Measuring 146 by 57 by 71 mm, it supports DDR through DDR5 memory, making it versatile across generations. The dual hydraulic bearing fans, sized 50 by 50 by 10 mm, feature 12V 4-pin PWM control with speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 plus or minus 10% RPM, delivering 13.5 CFM airflow while maintaining noise levels under 28 dBA. This ensures efficient heat dissipation without disrupting your gaming or streaming sessions. Constructed from thick aluminum alloy, the cooler rapidly removes heat from memory modules, supporting stable performance during overclocking or high-load computing. Equipped with addressable 5v3-pin ARGB LEDs, it offers synchronized lighting effects that can be customized to match your motherboard's RGB ecosystem, creating a visually stunning setup. Tool-free installation makes setup quick and effortless. Combining high efficiency, quiet operation, durable materials, and vibrant ARGB aesthetics, this memory cooling fan is an essential upgrade for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking performance and style. And our last choice is a GPU Backplate. The ARGB memory cooling fan is a high-performance accessory designed to enhance both the cooling and aesthetics of gaming PCs. Measuring 146 by 57 by 71 mm, it supports DDR through DDR5 memory, making it compatible with virtually all modern RAM modules. Its dual-fan design ensures high airflow, efficiently dissipating heat to maintain stable memory performance during intensive gaming, overclocking, or multitasking. Constructed from thick aluminum alloy, the cooler provides rapid thermal management while remaining durable and reliable. Beyond functionality, the fan features addressable 5v3-pin ARGB LEDs, allowing synchronized, customizable lighting effects that bring vibrancy and style to any PC build. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, enabling users to upgrade their memory cooling quickly without hassle. Designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both performance and visual flair, this memory cooler balances efficiency, durability, and stunning RGB effects. With responsive customer service available for any questions, it ensures peace of mind alongside superior cooling performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.